Stay prepared. Tempered window glass breaker with carbide-tipped, steel point hammer. Steel blade. Knife-sharp blade quickly cuts seatbelt straps. Always within reach. The only escape hammer that comes with an essential adjustable car visor strap. Respond quickly. In emergencies, grab your glass breaker, seatbelt cutter, car escape hammer. Featured brand by The Today Show, Cosmopolitan, Bloomberg, The New York Times and more. Fashionable and Cutte, extremely easy and portable. Blingsting Glammer Hammer is a part of the fastest-growing personal safety brand on the market today. Top reviews from the United States. Must-have. Like many of the other reviews, I haven't had a chance to actually use the device, thankfully. But it looks efficient and I think it's something that everyone should have in their car just in case.